Hey, what you gonna do?
I'm gonna boogie board!
All right, let's see it. Nicely done. Go catch a big kahuna. Right there. Yeah. All right, give me a high five. Watch the camera. How was it?
Yeah.
What you doing, bud?
I'm gonna boogie board with my dog.
Let's see it. Let's see the doggy surfboard, boogie board. How's the water? You gotta turn around. So there are 3 guys on jet skis, and they're going to go and rescue that inner tube. You look like a mermaid. The prettiest darn mermaid I ever saw. That's how you make a mermaid. 1 part sand, 2 parts water. Add 1 little girl, poof, mermaid.
Wow!
Hey!